Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to breed Grizzbolts on Palworld. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here I'm on this gameace.co that is a wiki or a Palworld walkthrough so we can have more details or more information about all the combos that we can try so we can have our Grizzbolts pal. And basically, if you go down here in the list of content, we will find the location elements, and here we can see all the details about our files, stats, etc. And basically, what we are interested in is the how to breed section. So basically, to breed our Grizzbolt, you can either click on Palworld breeding calculator so you can find the best combos. But for this pal, there are only two combos that you can try you to breed our Grizzbolt pal. And basically, you will need just to have a Musanda and Rayhan. And if you don't know how to get this pal or anyone, of course, you will need just to click on it. And you will have also like the details on how to breed it and where you can find it, like the location, how to defeat it, etc. And basically, there are other requirements for breeding rather than only combo. So you will need just to have an egg incubator, you will need just to have a breeding farm and also a supply of cake. And basically, for the farm, you will need just to be at least level 19 so you can start breeding pulse. And for the breeding farm, you will require 100 wood, 20 stone, and 50 fiber, and then you will be able to craft your breeding farm. And also for the egg incubator, there are also some uh, requirements such as the paldium fragments and 5 clothes, 30 stone, and 2 ancient civilization parts. And after that, you will be able to breed the grease balls. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.